folding a claw. I'm sorry we don't have an example to show you guys, but yeah, we're basically making a claw and stuff like that. So
Sigma.
let's get ready. And check out the new Sigma board, and then this teacher Boudhi part 3, I think. Yeah. So
Teacher Boudhi hungry.
Okay. So first step, you have to get a square paper and you fold it into a triangle. Okay. Teacher Boudhi.
Teacher Boudhi,
Okay,
smart,
open this,
smart.
and then open this, and then you have got to do this.
Like Is it hard?
You have got to do like this.
Oh,
like this.
Can I see?
Teacher
Like
Boudhi
this.
knows.
Like this, guys. Like
Super,
this.
Like that?
super,
Like
Sigma,
that?
Yeah, like the
Sigma.
crease. Do it to both sides, okay, people?
Super,
I know,
super, Sigma,
I know
Sigma.
Noah World viewers and subscribers all have common sense, okay, people?
Sigma, boy, the short is so funny. It's like Sigma, super, Sigma, boy.
Don't give them
boy.
spoilers. If you have watched it, don't give spoilers, please.
It's so funny.
And I'm like, bro, autistic.
Please like to that. I mean, like, subscribe on
Yeah,
that.
like and subscribe.
Teacher Boudhi, Sigma, boy.
Okay, so after you got that right,
Yeah.
you gotta get this, fold it like this. So
Okay.
it was like this, right? And like this.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, see, I'm gonna assassin. I'm an assassin.
Wait, guys, I think I need to memorize this thing. Wait a minute, okay? So I think we gotta do like, wait, my memory's not that good. Maybe, yeah.
Super Sigma.
Like, you got this, right? You got this thing. You gotta fold it up, I think. Fold it up like that.
Huh?
Like that?
Yeah.
No, wait. Or fold down. Guys, sorry, my memory is very rusty today. So you gotta fold like this.
Wait, can you show me?
Wait, I need to memorize my thing first. Wait, I think I got, it's a very mini claw, but with this, right? Or this, you have to fold it like this. You have to fold it down like this, guys. Oh, no. Follow.
Super Sigma, boy, Sigma, boy.
Fold it like this. So it was like this. So fold it like this.
How?
So
Super Sigma, boy, Sigma,
Like this.
boy. Yeah, like that. Okay.
okay, and then fold it like this, and then keep wrapping it around.
Okay. Like
Keep
that.
wrapping.
Until that.
Yeah, until it goes like this, and then you have to put it in.
Sigma,
So if you got like this, keep wrapping it, and then put this part inside this part, inside this pocket thing.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, I think Noah did it right, and Noah and I did it wrong. So Noah, just give it up, and let's let Teacher Boudhi show his artwork.
My artwork.
I'll show you. Like this, kind of like this. Then this really chubby claw. It's kind of like you have to do this.
Oh no! This is the Cheetos claw. Wait, I got an idea. What if you do it like that? It's less chubby.
Okay. Teacher Boudhi's idea is Boudhi.
Like that.
Yeah, I don't think that'll work. So,
Done. My claw.
okay. So, like and subscribe. This Teacher Boudhi part 3. So,
Was really bad.
like, tune in for like more videos and like and subscribe. Bye.